Jim Cramer here to answer your Twitter questions on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Jim, we'll start with some news, and that's Volkswagen. What do you think of the stock?
Well, I've got to tell you, this is the largest maker of vehicles in the world, and this phoning of the results to beat the EPA has the stock down 20%. I've got to tell you, typically I would say buy Volkswagen, but people just seem to think that this could be the end of Volkswagen in the U.S. Second day, I would buy it, though. Tomorrow, not today. It's ADRs.
Jim, what do you think about Checkpoint Software? It doesn't get a lot of attention compared to some of the other names.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I think that cybersecurity is Palo Alto, and I'm not going to go away from that.
All right, how about Hain Celestial? How much more pain for that company?
You know, I was doing some work this weekend on Hain, and you're absolutely right. The pain has been pretty unfathomable, which is why Action Alerts has really gravitated toward Whitewave. I think there's a sense that that there is a very little chance of a takeout here because Irwin Simon likes to run the company. I think Whitewave's a different story. They would make money either way, a takeout or just better earnings.
And Jim, what do you think about Kinder Morgan? It's a good buy and a hold. Do you think the dividend is safe given how beaten down the stock is?
I think Kinder Morgan's dividend is safe. I think that there's a perception that this group has had it, but if you're levered to natural gas, the demand is very strong. That's why we like Energy Transfer Partners, which is involved in a deal. ETP, ActionAlertsPlus.com, breaking 45. This stock has just been the worst stock that we've owned in a long time, and yet I think it's going to end up being one of the best.
And finally, how about Lionsgate Entertainment, long-term and short-term?
Geez, why do we have to mess with that? We know Disney's down gigantically. We know that Disney still has, even if you're challenged cable, has the best cable in terms of what we really want, which is sports. I'm not going to go down the food chain. I like Disney.
Jim Cramer, thanks as always. Remember, send your Twitter questions to Jim. Use #CramerQ. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.